This press, how many person? One. Jonas, only. Very big press.
Thank you.
Very big.
Why very big? Yeah.
About 5 or 600.
61.
61. Yeah.
Nice.
Oh yeah. Very big.
Thank you.
It's big.
Big.
Yeah. Oh, you usually use
Yes.
Yamaha.
Yes.
Yeah.
I do. I have custom.
Custom.
Yeah.
Oh, custom.
Yeah. Custom in ear.
Ah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, oh yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Two なんていうのかな。Two way だね。
Yeah. 2 in 1. Yes.
これどうな、そうしてどうなる？
Thank you.
でも丸じゃない。いやいや。
This is my
Ah,
paint.
yeah.
This is my paint shop.
Paint shop.
Yeah. And glue ups.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
they use this.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's nice with the big light and the table I can put away. Yeah. And this is my inventory storage.
This press? Oh yes, wood stock press. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So, and yes, yes, window, door,
Yeah. Yeah.
and this
Yeah.
window, door.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, that's a corner. Yeah. Many corner. Yes. Yeah.
Prototype
Yeah.
of a bookshelf.
Yeah, yeah.
or-
Or shelf.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and you can.
Yeah. Japanese. Yeah. Very simple.
Very simple.
Very strong.
Strong, because that one locks it.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Very nice. Very simple. Good job.
Thank you.
Yeah. すごいね、しぐち。
Yeah.
うん。
You can take it apart.
どうなんだろう。収納みたいになってますか。
Yeah.
うん。出しすぎなんじゃないですか。出し。あ、わかんない。出し。No. No. 出しすぎかな。
under the thing.
突き抜けて。
No.
Very strong. Oh. Oh, Japanese joined? Like a
これもね、見るすんだね。敷地のマニアみたいな人は。
Yeah. 剣のが出てきた。Japanese 剣のハンマー。
Yeah.
Yeah. Would keep and change it. One piece change.
Yes.
Very important.
Make new piece.
Yeah.
Put in.
And after painting.
After painting, you can see it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
すごい設備。
これ